Hello, welcome back to How to Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to make Mac OS. Mine is Mac OS Big Sur. Will look like Windows 11. I don't know will this work in any version of Mac. Mine in Big Mac OS Big Sur. I think it will work in Mac OS Monterey, but I don't know it will work or not in macOS Catalina. Okay, now let's get started. Now go to the description where you will find a link. Click on that link, then you will land on this page. Now in this page, click on download. Now click this arrow, then click Show in Finder. Now double click on the zip file, and then a new folder will appear. Go to that folder where you will find these 3 folders and 1 zip file. First of all, we're going to start with wallpapers. Now, click on search here and type in system. Click on system preferences. Go to desktop and screensaver. Now in here, click the plus sign. Now go to the folder that you placed before. Now go to the wallpapers and choose. Now click on which one do you want, dark or light? If you're using light, click on light. If you're using dark, click dark. I'm on dark mode, so I will click dark. Now, as you can see, the wallpaper has changed. Now, go back to system preferences. And now this time, go to dock and menu bar. In this, if you're large, scroll this wheel into this until the dock looks like this, okay? Now close system preferences. Now in here, you will need to extract this. Double click on that. Now you will see this app. Double click on that app. I already installed it. You will need to download it. Now after downloading, right click on this file, then click on copy. Now copy to applications. Now paste it to applications. Now you'll get Microsoft Paint, which is in Windows 10. You can draw anything. This is not for Microsoft, okay? Now, click on search, and in here, type in Launchpad. Now, I mean, in applications, you'll find Launchpad. Now, right click on that. Click on Get Info. Now, open a new Finder window. Go to the folder. Go to the Start Menu folder. There you find Start Menu.icns. Now, in this, we are going to change this icon. Drag this to this until it has a plus. Wait, is it gonna work? I don't think so. It will gonna work. So okay. I don't think that will work. Now in here, go to Applications, and then drag Launchpad into the dock. Until the dock has a space, release it. Now drag this to the left. Unfortunately, you cannot drag it to the left. I don't know why. And when you click on Launchpad, that launches Launchpad. Now it looks similar to the Start menu that is in Microsoft Windows. The difference is that this is in full screen. That looks like in Windows 8.1. Now go back to the folder. Now, if you want to see all the Windows 11 icons, I included it from Mifu. Now, one more thing. Now, type in here, mission control. In mission control. Now, drag mission controls dash applications. Drag that into the dock until the dock has a space. Release it. Drag it near to the Launchpad. When you click it, it is a virtual desktop. That's what it looks like in Windows 11's task view. Also Windows 10. So let's switch back to the main desktop. No, I think we're done yet. Are we done yet? Okay, I think we're done. So bye-bye. If there are something that I forgot to mention, please mention it in the comments section below. So bye-bye.